Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-29, beginning just as we enter the city limits of Sergeant Bluff in Woodbury County, Iowa. The city was named in honor of U.S. Army Sergeant Charles Floyd, a native of Kentucky who was one of the first men to enlist in the Lewis and Clark expedition in the early 1800s. Just 3 months into the 2-year journey, Floyd suffered a ruptured appendix, died, and was buried on a hill overlooking an unnamed river east of the Missouri. In his honor, Lewis and Clark named the river the Floyd River in what is now Sioux City. Sergeant Bluff had an estimated population of 5,127 as of 2019. We enter the city limits of Sioux City, which had an estimated population of 82,651 as of 2019. Sioux City is the 4th largest city in the state of Iowa. Sioux City lies mostly in and is the county seat of Woodbury County, but part of the city extends north into Plymouth County. At Sioux City, the Floyd River and Big Sioux rivers empty into the Missouri River. This is the navigational head of the Missouri River. Although the river extends all the way to Montana, there are no shipping channels for general cargo ships upstream of Sioux City. We'll be crossing U.S. Highway 20 ahead, considered to be the longest road in the United States. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Here at the Big Sioux River, we cross into Union County in the state of South Dakota, another first for 504 road trips. Exit 1 leads to Dakota Dunes, an unincorporated master-planned residential and commercial development covering about 2,000 acres. Dakota Dunes is owned and developed by Berkshire Hathaway Energy of Des Moines, Iowa, which unveiled plans for the community in 1988. We passed through North Sioux City, incorporated in 1951 with an estimated population of 2,928 as of 2019. Union County placed second in the 2006 Progressive Farmers' Best Places to Live in the U.S. because, quote, its schools are good, its towns neat, and the people friendly. Union County had an estimated population of 15,932 people in 2019. As we leave North Sioux City, we get a speed limit of 80 miles per hour, which is a blessing since we'll only pass through one major city in the entire state of South Dakota on I-29. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 10. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.